In this video, we're taking a close look at the HANGE kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, a brushed nickel high-arc commercial-style faucet designed for kitchens, RVs, laundry rooms, and even utility sinks. I'll break down the features, the real pros and cons, and at the end, I'll tell you exactly who this faucet is best for, so stay tuned. Product features. Let's start with the design and build quality. The HANGE kitchen faucet features a high-arc commercial-style design, which gives you plenty of clearance for filling tall pots, washing large pans, or cleaning bulky dishes. The brushed nickel finish looks modern and clean, and it's designed to resist fingerprints and water spots. This faucet is made from 304 stainless steel, which means it's rust-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and built for long-term durability. Inside, it uses a ceramic valve, so the handle operation feels smooth and reliable over time. One of the standout features is the pull-down sprayer with 3 spray modes: stream for everyday filling, spray for rinsing dishes and cleaning sunning, and pause to stop water flow instantly while switching tasks. It's also 100% lead-free, with food-grade PEX inlet hoses, making it safe for drinking and cooking water, something a lot of cheaper faucets can't guarantee. Installation is straightforward. The HANGE faucet fits standard 1 to 3 hole sink setups, making it a great option for kitchens, RVs, laundry, bars, utility sinks, and farmhouse setups. Pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons. Pros. Modern, high-arc commercial design, durable 304 stainless steel construction, 100% lead-free and safe for drinking water, 3 spray modes for flexible daily use, anti-fingerprint brushed nickel finish, easy installation for 1 to 3 hole sinks, works great for kitchens, RVs, laundry, and utility sinks, responsive customer support with fast replies. Cons. Does not include touch or smart sensor features. Brushed nickel may not match every kitchen style, designed more for function than luxury branding. Overall review. Overall, the HANGE kitchen faucet delivers excellent value for the price. It focuses on what actually matters: durability, water safety, smooth performance, and versatility. If you're looking for a reliable, modern pull-down faucet that works just as well in a kitchen as it does in an RV, laundry, or utility space, this is a solid choice. It's especially ideal for homeowners or renters who want a clean, modern upgrade without overpaying for unnecessary features. If this review helped you out, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more honest kitchen faucet reviews and comparisons. And if you want to check the latest price and deals on the HANGE kitchen faucet, I've added the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.